Every year, the state of Odisha is amongst the few places in the world where this remarkable natural event takes place, that is, mass nesting of olive ridley turtles, also called Arabada. These gentle marine creatures travel thousands of miles to lay their eggs on our sandy shores, but their journey is fraught with dangers, illegal fishing, marine pollution, and natural predators. This year, Shikulia Beach has witnessing record-breaking mass nesting of more than 7 lakhs of olive ridley turtles. These are the smallest and most abundant of all the sea turtles found in the world. Earlier, mass nesting used to happen during night time only. This time, one more unique phenomenon is being observed, that turtles are nesting during daylight also. Since 1991, the Indian Coast Guard has provided continuous assistance to central and state authorities under Wildlife Protection Act 1972 to enforce fishing ban and protection of ecosystem in the area. Indian Coast Guard conducts community interaction program to spread awareness in local fishermen about mass nesting of olive ridley turtles and strict adherence of no fishing zones during nesting months commencing from November to May. Operation Olivia has played a critical role in preventing illegal trawling, rescuing injured turtles, and ensuring that these ancient mariners reach their nesting grounds safely. With round-the-clock aerial and maritime surveillance, Indian Coast Guard deploys its aerial assets like Dornier, advanced light helicopters, and surface ships under Operation Olivia for protection of the species. On an average, 225 air sorties and 250 ship days at sea are invested every year for Operation Olivia. Rapid response teams are also kept standby to protect and rescue the turtles fouled in fishing nets. Aircrafts are used for aerial surveillance so as to find the fishing boats operating in area of nesting beaches, and ships are accordingly diverted to clear off the fishing boats operating in area, which is also called Sea-Air Coordinated Operations. Fishing boats are boarded and investigated extensively to ensure strict adherence of laws. After turtles lay their eggs, it typically takes 45 to 50 days for them to hatch. Their survival ensures the balance of marine biodiversity. As these tiny hatchlings take their first steps toward the sea, they symbolize the success of conservation efforts and the dedication of the Indian Coast Guard. Operation Olivia is more than just a mission. It is a commitment to preserving nature's delicate rhythm, because when we protect them, we protect the future of our oceans.